Hi, I'm Jillian, the founder of JIL Associates, and today I want to briefly outline 6 benefits of video marketing. We've heard it a million times, we're in the era of video content, but why exactly? Why does video marketing matter so much? In a nutshell, here are some reasons. Numbers 1 and 2, video evokes trust and emotion. That is to say, it lends an element of authenticity, which hooks people in and then draws feelings out of people that other forms of media generally don't. Number 3, videos drive action by inspiring the viewer in a different way than print does. 4, videos improve your search rankings online as Google pays close attention to the amount of time someone spends on your webpage. Number 5, movement catches the consumer's eye, which makes you stand out from the crowd. And finally, you can use videos to create really authentic customer testimonials, because let's be honest, we're way more likely to trust the opinions of our friends and our family and even other customers as opposed to what a company tries to tell us. For more information about these tips and many others, please visit our website, jilassociates.com.